matter of pride for all of us.
Thank you everyone for coming. Good evening everyone. I'm Nihit. So we'll talk about this brand and the hard work which has happened all across a year to create a brand like this here. So the support comes from J. Joshi Infra. Joshi is a group of companies and they are based out of various countries now, Thailand, Spain, Johannesburg, and we have hospitality partners. I mean, they're coming all across from Far East. So the idea was to bring up Belmaros here in Mumbai, and we were looking for a space like this, which finally, thankful to Sahara, we got a place and we created a aura like this for Belmaros.
How do you see Belmont changing the space of nightlife in Mumbai?
More than a nightlife, Parul, we have been working consistently on the FMB part of it. See, uh, nightlife is one, but we are into more of a culinary part as well. So we have been working in and around on the European and Asian cuisine so far. Uh, so that is the major palette. Apart from that, of course, nightlife when nightlife, so it's always there. I mean, coming to what we have been doing very closely together and seen Mumbai nightlife. So this was a space. Everything was coming to a favor wherein the time part, the area, the location, and everything. So we think yes, we are doing justice there.
There are very few brands which come to India and especially Mumbai being a nightlife hub. What makes, according to you, what will make Belmont different than those other brands?
See, Belmar Rose is not only about Mumbai. Already we are working in and around with Thailand, Bangkok, Spain, Johannesburg. But then, because the roots were from India, so Mumbai was the first city to be targeted to open Belmar Rose.
So that global appeal and the culture balance, how would that be?
You can see it all across the interiors, what we speak about. I mean, more of a European interiors with Asian cuisine. That's what we are been fusing it up, and which will be seen in our hospitality as well.
So, according to you, as a global brand, what is the philosophy of Belmont? Because there's so many, especially now in the industry of hospitality and nightlife, there are very handful of properties which are doing
See,
well.
idea behind was to promote more food part of it, wherein we are targeting a age group of right from 25 to 45, wherein we would be creating a dining experience for people coming into Belmaros. We are organizing English bands for that matter, as in a conceptual night for most of my weekdays, and we'll be promoting food. That's one of it. Later, with the high energy concept, what we call Belma Rose is a high energy restaurant and a bar. So later night it converts to high energy bar. So this is how we are being keeping it up.
What is that main element you think which is going to bring the influence of Far East to Belmont?
See the very food, the with yes, my partner Mr. Rajat will tell you more about how we have curated it, and of course that the very feel of the food culinary will give you a space wherein you'll think that okay, we are dining with something, how the cuisine has been kept so far.
Is it going to travel Belmont to other cities of India?
Yes, the very next project coming up would be Goa, then Delhi, and of course I named international cities before also. So we are working in and around.
That will be my next question also. How would you describe the concept of food and beverage in specifically in Belarus?
See, at Belmaros, what we are trying a good influence of Asian with the European cuisine. Okay, so, prima facie with my travel across Thailand, where we have been managing hotels for Joshi Infra and also looking at properties in the Asian countries to open restaurants and particularly my own restaurant in Pune called Mekong Folks. So we have got very in-depth knowledge about the Asian cuisine. So we wanted to bring that, cuisine, in a form where European and Asian can blend together. So this was an opportunity, where we decided that yes, this can be a platform to bring these two cultures together, because what is most trending today is Asian cuisine, but there are too many places that give only Asian. So the fusion, where we have traditional techniques, but in a contemporary way, is still missing of these two cuisines. So that's where we saw the opportunity.
Talking about the signature cocktails or dishes,
See what differentiates, what differentiates us that in the cocktail program, we have done cocktails around the Roman culture, how they used to drink, how the ingredients which they used to use, all those exotic ingredients and herbs we have used in the cocktail programs. So a cocktail program is divided into three, which further you look into the menu. Primarily it is divided into Roman intelligence, then fire and power. Okay, so there are cocktails listed under those programs. For the food bit, we have got an expat chef, who's worked in many countries abroad, in Europe. So he has been a great help, called Chef Sunil Pandey in curating my experience on the Asian cuisine and his, experience on the European cuisine. So that's a blend, which we have got together, which can be exemplary. See, that is where we are trying to, differentiate. So, had it was a club, then definitely, it is not, a very highly focused on food. But we are looking at running lunch and dinner operations, which will give a very different dining experience. And post that, around about, let's say, 10:30 to 11:30, we will transit into a high energy bar. So that's where the difference is. It's not that we'll be starting at, let's say, 10 o'clock and be a club till, let's say, 1:30 odd. We're going to be starting with dinner operations first and the nightclub, and eventually move into the lunch operations after some time.
What would be your recommendation to people out there who want to come and visit Belmar Rose and experience the forest, food, beverage, culture?
No, of course, that is, I think along with that, not only the food, beverage, culture, what we are looking at together as a team with Nihit, being on, our board, we are looking at how can we make it very experiential, through events, which are very likely to this culture and what is their concept. So it's going to be an experience. It's not only food and drinks. It's going to be an overall experience, with music, events, in the dining space also. It's not only that the events will happen only in the night, but during the dining also we'll give a very experiential, space, to the diners, right, Neil?
Correct.
Your approach to designing the food menu.
So basically, Belmarose being an international brand, the idea was to do global cuisine, but global cuisine with a story. So each dish, we've sort of, like they said, we have done European and Asian, so Eurasian is what we're looking at here. And it is, I think, we've cracked that bit with Eurasian cuisine where we are getting each dish with a story. So whether it is Asian or continental European, the idea is that it matches the brand Belmarose.
Are there any standouts or experimental dishes on the menu, and if they are?
They are, yes, and I would not spell them out because I'd really like people to come and see our menu and actually pick and choose from what we think are standout and experimental and give us feedback on how well we've done for it.
My next question is to you. How important is the presentation? How important is the presentation and experience in your culinary vision?
Okay. Can you repeat that?
Yeah. So how important is presentation and experience in your culinary vision?
I think it's very important because presentation is what is what you see first, before even tasting a dish, and when you're trying to give an experience, to any of your customers, the key thing is that how can you make a very simple dish, look very different and taste very different. So I think that is what most of the culinary philosophy is around, while not compromising on the traditional techniques of the taste. So I think that is the key what we're looking at, and of course the experiences, you know, the service, the food which we're giving, the presentation, and as I said before also, it's the events which will make a lot of difference in the whole dining space.
And what is the kind of food experience?
Sorry?
What is the kind of food experience in Bombay and in nightlife?
So I think the idea when you're doing something like this is actually it's more than fusion. It's about translation and sensitivity to a local palate, to the local preferences, and getting in the fusion in a way that it's exciting yet it's very familiar, so people actually enjoy it. And that's what we've tried to do here. Through my travels, through my global culinary travels, the idea was to bring back a lot of that. And I think we managed that with our head chef. He's also beautifully trained, experienced. And I think we've sort of got that mark, and we're hoping that locally it is really enjoyed as an international brand and experience. With, of course, different artists coming from across the world, because I think experiential dining takes a lot of time and precision, and that's what we've tried to do.
Mumbai is known for its nightlife, and you're known for things to get when you get according to you, being in a hotel, a property, a nightlife hotel, how much difference does it make as a food?
See, location doesn't make a difference. I would not say that it does make a difference. But yes, the experience, not many factor plays role while it comes to nightlife. Like good place with better amenities like parking. Of course, ample of parking is there with us. Timings, of course, when we talk about Mumbai, half of the nightlife people from Mumbai, they are locally upset because timings are not there. People want to party till late. So we were onto a venue which we got eventually, with Sahara. We have the timing to operate till 3 in the morning. And that's the kind of experience we want to give it across. With coming to the event artists, various new artists have came up. Like today even, there is a big event going on in Mumbai. Similarly, these kind of big artists have started coming in up in India. And we have made a point, we are creating an IP to create and bring in those kind of international artists every Sunday onto the floor of Belmaros. That's what experiential subject we're talking about to deliver.
It is also very next to international domestic airport that also will cater, people from outside India to come here and try.
The very idea is to bring in Belmaros into a bucket list of people traveling into Mumbai. Not only the Mumbaites, but then people across will definitely put Belmaros in the bucket list. And that's the easiest, traveling down and hopping in. People who are coming for even 1 day or 2 day to Mumbai for a commercial purpose or a corporate purpose, they will definitely like to feel down, come touch base, come down for dine, come to enjoy a nightlife experience. So that's again a plus thing what we have been into.
So मुंबईकर्स के लिए क्या कुछ स्पेशल है जो वो बाहर या कहीं और नहीं एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते जो यहाँ पे उन्हें मिलेगा अगर वो
मैं वो नहीं कहूँगा. इट्स लाइक ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि जो मुंबई अगर को एंजॉय और प्रेफरेंसेस नहीं है. एवरी प्लेस इज गुड. दे आर डिलीवरिंग द बेस्ट. We are also one of them. We are trying to deliver what best we can to make their moment more pleasurable.
But I think but I think I'm just adding on to what you're saying. The massive screen that what we have and the interiors and the food and the experience that you all come from, is something which is unique and really will be in Mumbai.
Correct. We are trying to get that experience, give that experience to people. Not only the music, the food, but of course the place where they're dining in will definitely make a lot of difference to them.
सर मुंबई के मार्केट में कितना चैलेंजिंग रहेगा
Good. That was a good question. It's a competitive market, or we are trying to be in the race as well. Right from our service standards to hospitality, to the concept and the curation of events we do, we will be at par and in the race, and we'll be a heavy competition to everyone. That's how I like to, submit.
आपकी कोई स्पेशल रेसिपी है, ऐसा कुछ स्पेशल होगा जो यहाँ पे पब्लिक को खींच कर लाएगा, तो उस बारे में थोड़ा
टाइम एक खींच के लेके आएगा. ऑफ कोर्स इवेंट्स में लाइक अच्छे कुछ आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनको हम लेके आएंगे, वो लोग खींच के लाएंगे. एंड बहुत फूड, व्हेन वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन फूड, वो कंसेप्ट, वो एक्सपीरियंस एक खींच के लाने वाला.
मुंबई के बाद कहाँ का प्लानिंग है एक्सपांड करने?
इमिडिएटली गोवा है, फिर न्यू दिल्ली है, कैनॉट प्लेस. ये 2 अभी पाइपलाइन पे हमारे चल रहे हैं.
स्पेशल क्या रहेगा? स्पेशल क्या है?
बताइए.
स्पेशल यही है कि जो हम पूरा यूरो एशियन का जो ब्लेंड कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ यूनिक अबाउट दिस प्लेस. जनरली क्या है, यूरोपियन प्लेसेस हैं, एशियन प्लेसेस हैं, लेकिन ब्लेंड ऑफ यूरोपियन एंड एशियन प्लेसेस नहीं है. दैट इज़ आर की हाईलाइट ऑफ दिस प्लेस, दैट हाउ डू वी मैरी द टू एंड गेट एन आउटपुट विच इज़ यूनिक. वो हमारी स्पेशलिटी है.
Also ingredients, we are trying to use as much as possible. In fact, I think 99% very authentic ingredients, वो speciality रहेगी in the food.
Lot of important ingredients we are using.
वेबसाइट भी आपका या होम डिलीवरी होगा या आना ही पड़ेगा?
होम डिलीवरी अभी नहीं सोचा है, होम डिलीवरी अभी नहीं सोचा है, लेकिन यहीं पे आना पड़ेगा टू एक्सपीरियंस द प्लेस.
What is that one thing you the audience?
Feel it, experience it, and promote it.
And love it, hopefully.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
हेलो 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 हेलो.
What would you like to say, as the GM of the company?
So today is our launch day. I'm general manager at Belmaros. So we'll just introduce ourselves first. Chef.
Hi, my name is Sunil Pandey, and I've joined Belmaros as an executive chef.
My name is Anand Iyer and I am the General Manager Operations taking care of Belmaros.
What would you like to say, the USP of Belmaros?
So I guess you guys all have got a small sneak peek of what the restaurant looks like, what the ambience is. What we've tried to do is we've tried to recreate a European themed restaurant. So the whole restaurant is based upon a very rich culinary influence that basically turns out to a high energy bar post 11. So you have a mix of a great vibe along with a serene dining setting. So that's what Belmaros is in a small nutshell.
Chef,
So-
what's special, in terms of, the signature dishes that you would like to have?
Signature dishes, as in we have the whole menu is what you can say. The whole menu is excellent, but there are certain signature dishes where we have created some fusion dishes, which is Bombay duck fish and chips, which you can try. It is a must. And then you have a few more dishes like stuffed zucchini flour with passion fruit compote and all that stuff. These are few dishes, and dessert, of course, we have coconut mousse, which is again excellent creation by a pastry chef. So yeah, the menu is basically a mix of your European and your Asian dishes.
Yeah, so we not only focused on the club nightlife, so we'll be more of a dinner operations as well. So we have an excellent menu. So we would request everyone to please come and try when we start off with the dinner operations as well.
So even if you look at the bar program, what we've done is we had made sure that the whole bar program is like split into 3 centers, right? So each has its own distinct profile where we've started with mellow spirits, and by the end that you go, it gets into more potent alcohol. So the whole idea of having a bar program is you will not see this bar program to be for a constant for a long time. You will have everything freshened up every 6 months. So this makes people coming back to us again and again, and that's similarly I would tell with the cuisine as well. So you're gonna have more additions coming in. So at the moment we've just kept a small crisp menu so that it allows the people in the city to come and dine with us, and then we start evolving and then open up, bloom properly.
I think they've said it all. So just come and experience the experiential Belmarose.
No, I think the team has really summed it well. You know, apart from the food and the cocktails, you know, we are focusing on events. Now that is, which will contribute to experience, you know, that is where our key focus is also. You know, so I would like everybody to come and experience, you know, the place, and of course give us feedbacks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our duo came together, me, Mr. Rajat, again, being selected from Jay Joshi. I mean, this is how we came from. Rajat has been into culinary. I mean, his core strength has been into management consultant. But then he is a restaurateur himself with many outlets he been running here, not in India, but in Thailand as well. So me, you know everything, Parul. I, after a tenure in Mumbai, shifted back to Delhi and started my own company, Pandora Hotels. We majorly doing hotels, F&B, restaurant, resto bars. So Belmarose is one of our projects, what we have started. Together we have started. And my expertise come from the nightlife, the entire set of nightlife, the concept, the very architecture of the place, and wherein his food and culinary is complementing the place. That's how Belmarose we are taking together.
No, I think he's said it, it's fine.
Yeah?
Wishing Belmarose to you is giving you heights and
Yes.
traveling all over.
Correct. Thank you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Belmarose's launch, what do you have to say?
I think I'm really excited to be here, and as we know that Belmarose is an international brand, first time it's coming to India. Looking forward to experience a lot of luxury, and all the best to the owners. And I think it's going to be great. It's bringing a global standard to Mumbai. So all the best.
First of all, big congratulations to Mihir Srivastava for spearheading such a great initiative. I think this is a big upgrade to the Mumbai's nightlife. It was much awaited. I think Mumbai has been looking forward to such an experience from the Far East, and finally Belmarose is here. So been hearing a lot about it. I think the exquisite design, what I've been hearing about is much to talk about home. And of course, the setup, the food, as well as the drinks. So I'm looking forward to a fabulous evening and wishing the team all the best at Belmar Rose.
Thank you so much.
सर यहाँ पे यहाँ सर यहाँ पे देखिए थोड़ा पीछे ना थोड़ा पीछे जाए यहाँ पे मैम लोग क्यों मैम थोड़ा मैम टर्न मैम ये सब होल्ड हो गया आपका हाँ इस तरह भी थोड़ा ये आगे ही टर्न इस मेरे सामने हाँ या मैम
Launched in Mumbai in Sara Star, spearheaded by Neil Srivastava. What do you have to say?
So I really want to congratulate them for this one of the different club from Far East, Belmar Rose, and मुझे लगता है कि it's a very beautiful opening क्योंकि मुंबई में क्लब्स की बहुत कमी हो गई है. हमारे खुद के बच्चे बोलते हैं कि दे आर बोर्ड ऑफ अदर क्लब्स एंड मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि एक नया क्लब खुलने जा रहा है. आई वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट द होल टीम एंड एवरीवन प्रेजेंट हियर. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
मैम सामने यहाँ देखिए मैम यस पूनम जी टर्न हो जाए यहाँ टर्न पूनम जी टर्न पूनम जी हेलो पूनम जी यहाँ पे टर्न पूनम जी यहाँ पे पूनम जी यहाँ पे हेलो यहाँ हाँ ये क्या देखिए पूनम यहाँ पे पूनम जी मैडम जी यहाँ पे भी देखो यस मैम थोड़ा इस तरफ एक फोटो यहाँ देखिए सेंटर यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे
Belmar Rose, I'm very happy. Cameras. I'm very happy to be here. Belmar Rose, very happy for Neil Srivastava and the whole team and the whole owners and the management. Looking forward. Sara Star is always a good place to be with, and I'm sure बढ़िया रहेगा, काफी rocking रहेगा. Cheers. I'll be coming more often here now.
थैंक यू सर।
एक मिनट
चल लेफ्ट।
दुबई में सारा स्टार में लॉन्च हो रहा है. इट्स अ बिग डील फॉर आवर कंट्री आल्सो फॉर इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स टू कम. क्या कहते हैं आप?
देखो मैं ना तो दारू पीता हूँ, तो मेरे लिए जितने मर्जी खोल लो, मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। सो बट मुंबई एक ऐसा शहर है जहाँ पर जब इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड आते हैं तो इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड को मुझे लगता है कि गौरवान्वित महसूस करना चाहिए कि हिंदुस्तान के सबसे बड़े शहर में, हिंदुस्तान की मैं कहूँगा कि इकोनॉमिक जो कैपिटल है, वहाँ पर आके जब ये खुलते हैं तो इनके सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस उतने ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, क्योंकि मुंबई से ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट शहर कोई नहीं है और यहाँ के जितने लोग हैं उनसे ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट लोग कोई नहीं है। सो ऑल दी बेस्ट टू द क्लब एंड आई विश कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा चले और ऐसे और इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड मुंबई में आए। थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू।
सेंटर सेंटर
दीक्षा ये
center. Then on the center. सेंटर में नहीं देखा मैडम क्या भी आसिम भाई के कैमरे में
them, and you know, I have been associated with Sara Star since quite some time now, and I would like to try their cuisine, and I've heard it's Greek inspired, if I may say so. So I would like to go and, you know, experience it.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you.
भाई यहाँ पे देखो राइट राइट देखो राइट
नाइस लुक भाई
राइट में देखो राइट में सेंटर राइट में देखो मैं हूँ
यहाँ पे देखिए ना
एक नंबर था
ये सही चलेगा
यही चलेगा ना चलिए यही लेता हूँ फिर मैं भी लेंगे इतना गंदा तो उसको साफ करना क्या दो चीज उसको साफ करना दो चाहिए थैंक यू
राइट वाओ
भाई तुषार को फोटो किया था ये भाई ये सेंटर यहाँ पे देखिए यहाँ पे
राइट में सेंटर सॉरी यार एक इनका माल सेंटर
यहाँ पे देखिए हम यहाँ पे देखिए
सेंटर
सर यहाँ पे देखिए सर नाइस लुक क्या बात है सर
आना जी यहाँ पे देखो
मैडम जी आज यहाँ पे
That's Ramji Khilati in the house. Together. Yeah.
इधर अच्छा ओके
राइट
लेफ्ट से शुरू करना चाहिए
नहीं राइट भाई
राइट कॉर्नर प्लीज ये सुरेंदर
हिट है
नानिस भाई नाइस लुक थैंक यू भाई क्या अच्छा लगा
राइट से
क्या बात चांद से एकदम बढ़िया
एक ये वाले कैमरे में देते हैं दानिश भाई अरे भाई एक मिनट यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे देखिए ना सर यहाँ पे
कॉलेज के पीछे देखिए ना।
हाँ
यस यस
हाँ वाइन में डेली मिलती है। अरे वाइन की गली यार उसको पूछे
यहाँ पे साथी
हॅलो हां मी काय बोल ना अगं शूटमध्ये आहे ग का ग गाडी लावायची होती म्हणजे आता काय नाईटला येणार आहे की कसं काय आलाय
यहाँ पे हाँ यहाँ पे इतना जाम क्यों है यहाँ पे बाय बाय रुको वेट कैसा होता है भाई चालू नहीं हो रहा है